Stand with body naturally upright. Feel your head and neck is also aligned with your spine. Close your eyes. Focus on how you breathe. Focus on your exhale. When you exhaled, let go the tensions in your neck and your shoulders. Exhaled, let go the tensions in your chest. Exhaled, let go the tensions in your upper arms and feel your elbows dropped. Exhaled, let go the tensions in your forearms, wrist. Exhaled, let go the tensions in your hands. You will feel the blood rushing down to your hands. There is a tingle sensations in your hands. Now open your eyes as slowly as you can. Shifting your weight to your right leg and picking up your left heel as you step your left foot out to the side. Place your toes down first, then your heel. Adjust your body to the center. Extend your fingers. Bend at your wrist and push your fingers forward to rise to your shoulder level high. Pull your elbows back and lower your shoulders. Press your hands down, then bend your knees. This is called the opening. Now let's do that again. Stand naturally with the body upright. Head, neck, with the spines perfectly aligned. The eyes closed. Focus on exhale. When you exhale, let go the tensions in your neck, shoulders, and chest. Exhale, let go the tensions in your upper arms and elbow. Exhale, let go the tensions in your forearms, wrist. Exhale, let go the tensions in your hands, and you will feel the blood rushing down to your hands much faster than the first time. And now shift weight to your right leg. Step out with your left toes and heel. Center your body, weights on both legs. Extend your fingers, bend at the wrist, and push your hands forward. At this time, I like to caution everyone, the common mistakes people make is leaning back their body. I want you to pay attention how your spine is still aligned with your body. And let go the tensions in your shoulders and chest. And you will feel your arms heavier. And let go the tensions in your elbow. Then pressed, hands down. Bend your knee. First time we learned the mechanical moves. This is second time. It's important that you feel what you do. Now let's do that again, a little bit more smoother. And we shall move like the water. It flows without any hesitations. Shift weight to the right, picking up left heel, step left toes and heel. Center your body, extend your fingers, bend at wrist. Push your hands forward to shoulder levels. Pull elbows back, pressed hands down. Let go the tensions in your chest